Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary. Please subscribe to my channel. So today we'll be doing this makeup look, and it is a part of my Valentine's Day series, but I considered doing a day look because you know Valentine's Day is like 24 hours, and you are going to need a day look as well as a night look. So this is the day look that I am serving y'all with. It is a simple nude eyeshadow look with gold, and I did red lips, but you could do nude lips, but I was thinking it's Valentine's Day, so you definitely need something red, and why not keep the redness on the lips? That's why I did my red lip. And this is our third look, and the rest of the looks will be down in the description box. This is the look for today. I hope you enjoy it, and we are now going to go to the makeup tutorial. Thank you guys.
Hurts me the most when I wake. I fumble and twist till the truth starts to click. There's so much space in this bed. These sheets go for miles. Dreams of your smile. I don't wanna be just a memory, and I don't wanna feel your wings break free, because without you I'm lost in the breeze. I gotta be strong now. I gotta show you how I love you like I've never ever loved somebody. I'll give you things you didn't even know you wanted. Don't tell me that it's not enough. My time is up, you're over us. Cause I think I might do anything for you if you just let me. If you just let me. If you just let me, just let me. Taste of your lips is still fresh, and the smell of your scent, how could I forget? Your words, how they cut me to shreds. But to tell you the truth, every piece is for you. I don't wanna be just a memory, and I don't wanna feel your wings break free, because without you I'm lost in the breeze. I gotta be strong now. I gotta show you how I love you like I've never ever loved somebody. I'll give you things you didn't even know you wanted. Don't tell me that it's not enough. My time is up, you're over us. Cause I think I might do anything for you if you just let me. Yeah, if you just let me. If you just let me. Just let me. Cause I think I might do anything for you